Hi, my name is Roxanne Balanay. I am a second-year mechanical engineering PhD student under the supervision of Dr. Tyler Ray here at the University of Hawaii at Manoa. My research is motivated by the curiosity of how does one control the movement of small particles without physically touching them. The atmospheres of distant planets, such as Venus or Neptune, can only be studied by directly collecting samples, yet to do so means we have to create tools that not only survive the long, difficult journey from Earth, but also work without failures when they have reached the final destination. My work seeks to create a device that enables the direct collection of toxic gas molecules using sound waves that can precisely direct these molecules to specific sensors. While this is being developed for space, my technology can also improve the performance of medical diagnostics and fabrication of printed electronics such as ultra-small cell phone antennas. This ARCS Awards enables a significant advancement in my PhD studies by allowing me to travel to NASA Jet Propulsion Laboratory, also known as JPL, for an extended summer research effort to test some of the recent devices I made here at the university. This award will provide the critical funding, such as housing and transportation, to allow me to pursue my studies at JPL and bring back the knowledge gained back here.